is on the ground at Fix 2024 in Daegu, South Korea, where some of the coolest innovations in drones, robotics, and AI are being unveiled. Fix 2024 has become a hotspot for emerging technologies that push the boundaries of what autonomous systems can achieve. We're usually all in on the drones, but from the newest in automotive and autonomous vehicles to the hundreds of new robotic solutions, we just couldn't limit ourselves to things that fly. Here are just three of the vast array of new technology that caught our eye on the floor. Run Systems Boar-Catching Drone Korean distributor Run System showcased the Spider Gun payload designed to tackle a big challenge in Korea and elsewhere: wild boar management. Mounted beneath an octocopter, this innovative payload carries a deployable net ready to capture wild boar in flight. It's an impressive solution to a significant problem. Wild boar have become a major issue in Korea, particularly in cities and farmlands where their natural predators like tigers and wolves no longer roam. With food shortages in the wild, boars have increasingly been invading urban areas. In 2023, Seoul saw 449 wild boars captured, a 2.7-fold increase from 2022. Run Systems' net-equipped drone offers a fast and humane way to manage these animals, providing a modern solution to a very old problem. Fin Scooters, golf's coolest new ride. Fin Scooters brought some serious flair to the golf course at Fix 2024. Apparently, the PGA is already all over it, but we hadn't seen it before. Described as a game within a game, the Fin Scooter is a sleek, motorized alternative to traditional golf carts, and it's so much cooler. The scooter holds your clubs and gets you around the course quickly, letting golfers experience a whole new level of fun between strokes. And like everything else in golf, it's customizable, so you can add your own style. Unlike bulky golf carts, Fin scooters are compact, stylish, and offer a thrilling ride. If you want to turn heads and enjoy some smooth, zippy transport, this is the ultimate accessory for your next golf round. Younghyun Robotics, the future of service stations, one of the most futuristic displays at Fix 2024 came from Younghyun Robotics, a startup making waves in Korea's service industry. Their automated robotic systems are set to be deployed in 10 gas and highway service stations across the country, serving up ramen, soft serve ice cream, and pour over coffee with robotic precision. And this isn't just any automated vending machine. The pour over coffee system is something to behold. One robotic arm grinds a fresh, single serving of your preferred beans, while another arm places a paper cup beneath a stainless steel filter. The arm then expertly pours hot water in a controlled swirl, mimicking the motions of a skilled barista to ensure the perfect brew. We tried it, it was delicious. If you're in the mood for ramen, you're in for a treat. The robotic arms prepare hot ramen in just 4 minutes, managing everything from the boiling water to the placement of ingredients on the line of hot plates. For busy service stations strapped for staff, Younghyun Robotics offers a fully automated, seamless experience that's as fun to watch as it is to eat. Read more: DroneLife's media picks at Fix 2024, highlighting global tech innovations, RGB Labs, open platform AI technology for unmanned systems, home of South Korea's version of CES. Daegu City's drive to be an international tech hub. Miriam McNabb